Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, recognizing a woman's soft spot makes them love you more and find you a soulmate. As a man, you might find it challenging to understand a woman's feelings and what they want and don't want. The feminine gender is charming, sensitive, and kind creatures. They enjoy being loved and appreciated by people. They are sweet when you know and understand their feelings, which is why it is important to know their weaknesses to make them a strength in a relationship. What does a woman want from a man? A woman wants a trustworthy, supportive, and kind man who makes her feel comfortable. Most women are not direct about their feelings, but they always give you a clue about what they like and don't like. It might be hard to understand a woman's emotions because of how sensitive they are to things, but there are weaknesses every girl has that make them go crazy for a man. And it is important that you recognize a woman's soft spots. Knowing a woman's weakness makes you understand and please a woman better. You will treat them with care, provide them with nourishment, and love them even more. When you understand their weakness, you create a strong bond with them. Here are some great tips on things that many girls find irresistible. But before we delve into these intriguing signs, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to decode the mysteries of attraction and deepen your understanding of human behavior. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Number 1. She falls in love 5 times more. Most men don't realize that a girl falls in love 5 times more if they truly love you. Falling in love has always been a big weakness for girls, and men these days don't seem to appreciate this language. It might be a weakness for a woman to fall in love more than the opposite, but you can use it as a strength by returning the gesture and flattering it with more love. Number 2. She is deeply committed. When a girl is so much interested in a man, she will go outside her boundaries to seek a man's attention. She is usually sensitive and is allured by a man if she loves him. A woman will do whatever it is for a man. You probably have heard of some situations where a woman gives all her resources to a woman who doesn't find interest in her. A man should show much more commitment as a woman does to them, and it is important to understand this captivating trait. Number 3. She is always in need of support. No matter how a woman displays some feminine power or alpha traits, they always need emotional and physical support that fills the void in them. At some point in our lives, in our highs and lows, we all need someone to talk to, someone who can care for us and encourage us to boost our self-esteem. Most men will assume a woman doesn't need their help, but deep down in a woman's heart, they need a companion, a support system, and love. Number 4. She cries a lot. Women are made to show power and confidence to people, but in those traits, there is a woman who has a soft heart that needs nourishing. It is always good to check up on a woman when she is hurt. No matter what she says, claiming how strong she is, you need to be there for her as a man and guide her, be her shoulder to cry on. Doing this for every woman will make a woman love you and remember you during her lowest. Number 5. She is obsessed with things she likes. If a girl likes a man, she will think of the man a lot. Similarly, if a woman likes something she sees, like designer bags, shoes, or dresses, she will show an obsession with it. Most of the time, you might notice this immediately. It is left for you to be observant of what she does. For example, she can say something repeatedly, consciously or unconsciously. That's because she likes it. As a man, to better understand a woman's feelings, you must pay careful attention to her. Number 6. She hides her weakness to show confidence. Hiding their weakness is what makes a woman feel safe in the public eye, but deep within her, she needs someone who will show up for her. Someone who will comfort and support her. That is where a man should come in. Women are bold, confident, and beautiful. They don't like to trade their self-worth for their weaknesses. They prefer to be acknowledged and appreciated rather than perceived as weak women. Number 7. She loves attention. Women love to be addressed and admired by people. They love public gratification, which could also be a girl's soft spot. They love to show up looking their best and creating awareness from the public. telling how gorgeous she is. When it comes to relationships, women love attention from their partners. They cannot go a day without getting love gestures and compliments from the person they love. As a man in a relationship, it is good to understand that a woman loves attention from her partner, which is her major weakness. Number 8. She is obsessed with compliments. Complimenting a woman will boost her self-confidence and make her feel comfortable around you. If you ask me, I haven't seen a woman who doesn't like compliments. That's because they are usually blown away with compliments. Think of it like this. When a man sees a girl he likes, he will first read some pickup lines complimenting how good she looks. Since compliments are usually a girl's weakness, you must cherish and appreciate them as a man. Number 9. She is an overthinker. Women don't let bad things slide like that. They are very sensitive to words and actions. They don't like being hurt. Even when they claim they can take a fight, they are soft and fragile. When a woman is hurt or offended by a fight, she may start overthinking and question whether you truly love or appreciate her. That is why you must be careful of a woman's feelings and try not to get into their skin. Number 10. Be genuinely happy for their victories. When a man is genuinely happy for a woman's success, they feel welcomed and appreciated all the time. As I have said before, a woman wants a man who supports her emotionally and physically, and this is where they will want him the most. Most men will feel greedy about a woman's success, questioning why it wouldn't be him who got the happiness. They begin to feel hate for a woman. That's why experiencing true happiness leads to love and compassion for others, which some women see as a weakness. Conclusion on girls' weakness. Understanding a woman's weaknesses can lead to a deeper connection and a more fulfilling relationship. Whether it's understanding how deeply she can fall in love or realizing she needs your support, recognizing these things helps you take better care of her and show her how much you appreciate her. When you pay attention to her emotions and make her feel supported, it strengthens the bond between you. Whether she needs a shoulder to lean on when she's feeling down or someone to cheer her on when she succeeds. Being there for her in these moments builds a strong and lasting connection built on love and support that goes both ways. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful or enlightening, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more relationship insights and psychology tips. Have you noticed any of these signs in your interactions with someone you're interested in? Or perhaps you have your own experiences to share? We'd love to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, decoding the language of attraction can deepen your connections and lead to more fulfilling relationships. Until next time, take care, stay observant, and may your love life be filled with joy and understanding. Goodbye for now.